We've been working for the last year on fire alarm design software for Revit. We're calling this program FireBIM. Our work is largely based on what we've already done in ElectroBIM for electrical design in Revit. And so this is what we're doing for our fire alarm design. We're taking the same concept that we have for electrical design and transforming it in Revit for fire alarm design using the same basic principles. So everyone who's going to be using this software has a 3D model in Revit. So that's kind of our working assumption that you want to do Revit design and you want to do your fire alarms in Revit. So we're working in Revit. And then everyone who's going to be using the software, we're assuming you're also going to be doing your riser diagrams. And we're going to put that into Revit for you. And then an open question is to whether you're actually doing these calculations or not. Let's jump over to Revit and take a look at what we are doing for fire alarm design. First of all, Revit out of the box does have some fire alarm features, and we are trying to use those as much as possible. What we're going to do with FireBIM is take this foundation that Revit has handed us and build on top of it so you can actually have a complete fire alarm design in Revit rather than just this very simplistic design that you can do right now. FireBIM is going to manage the layout of everything and what's in there so that what's on the riser and what's on the floor plan are going to be consistent and matched to each other. So that is the quick overview of FireBIM. We're going to be using Revit as the basis for our fire alarm design, so you can do your fire alarm designs in Revit. We're adding a riser feature and we're adding battery and voltage drop calculations. Our goal is to put it into beta in Q1 of 2026. If you're watching this before the beta, take a look at the show notes. There will be a link there to be alerted when the beta is available. If you're watching this during the beta, there will be a link there to participate in the beta. You can try out the software while we are testing it. And if you happen to find this video after the beta has been released and we're in the final version, we'll make sure to update to a link to where you can get a free trial of the final version. Check it out and see if it's going to be something that you want to use for your electrical design.